In today's video, you are going to learn how to get ungated in Nike, Puma, Adidas, Under Armour, New Balance, any sports brand that you want with the first strategy that I am going to show you. And with the second strategy that I'm going to show you, you can get ungated in pretty much everything. Okay, so you're going to learn everything that you need to learn to get ungated in today's video. If you do not know me, my name is Chris Mangunza. I release daily videos about selling on Amazon right here on YouTube every single day. So if you want to become a 7-figure seller, there's one thing that you need to do. You need to like this video so you get recommended more of those videos. You can train your algorithm. And the second thing is you can subscribe to this channel so you never miss a video that is going to teach you how to become a profitable online arbitrage seller. All right, so let's start. The first website that you can use to get ungated in Nike, Puma, Under Armour, Adidas, all those great brands is soccer.com. And I made a video last year, okay, showing you how to do this after East Bay East Bay went out of business, all right? Soccer.com is still working. So pretty much what you're going to need to do, if you do not know, if you want to get ungated, you need an invoice. Okay, Amazon says you need an invoice. You do not necessarily need an invoice, okay? But getting an invoice will be way better. So you need an invoice with a purchase of 10 units of a product from a specific brand. I think it has to be done in the last 6 months or 3 months. I don't care. Like, it does not matter because you're going to place your order today and you're going to submit that invoice to get ungated on Amazon. Okay, so whenever you receive your order, you can start submitting your invoice. So you can do it with Nike.com, with soccer.com. This is the place I like to do it because they give you a real invoice. So what you're going to need to do is you are going to need to find a product from the brand you want to get ungated. So let's look for Nike product, okay? Let's try to find something super cheap, okay? So that way, because here's one thing. When you want to get ungated, you are not trying to make money. However, you can actually make money, okay? And I'm going to tell you a little story in a few. But like, you are not actually actively trying to make money. It's just an investment to be able to request approval to sell that brand, okay? So it's better if you can find a cheap product. So that way, you know, you just lose that money, that's fine, but you get approval to sell that brand, all right? So what you're going to do is you're going to go from price low to high, okay, and you're going to find the cheapest product that you can to get ungated on Amazon, okay, from that specific brand. So right here we have some Nike shin guard stays that we can look at on Amazon and see if they're actually selling on Amazon, and see if you know, we are actually get it for that specific product on Amazon for the brand that we want to get ungated in. Now, as I said, you are not going to make money doing this, okay? But like, to be 100% honest, the first ever online arbitrage product that I found when I was still doing retail arbitrage and selling Nike, all those brands, was by actually finding a product that I got ungated on, okay? So it was an Under Armour product. I found it on soccer.com and I just used it because it was super cheap to get ungated. The sales rank was quite high, but like, the product was selling and there was no competition. I made like, I think maybe 50-60% return on investment every time that it sold. And so I purchased 10 here and there. Whenever I was running out of stock, I was purchasing more. So if you are lucky, you can find a product that you know, but you're not that good at sourcing. If you're just getting ungated, you're not that good at sourcing. So just make the investment. You know, if you do it this way, it's going to cost you $89 to get ungated in Nike. All right, so these are the shin guards that we want to find, okay? So we are going to look for them on Amazon. So you go on Amazon, you type the name of the product, Nike shin guard. Boom, here we go. And let me just do this because my keyboard was shaking. And so it's shin guard stay actually. So let me write it down. Boom, shin guard stay. It's loading. Here we go. So this is the exact product that we want, okay? So what you would do then is take the ASIN. So you can get the ASIN right there in the URL. Okay, boom. This is the ASIN, or you get it right there on the seller amp. You enter this into your seller app, and pretty much it is going to tell you that you can request approval. If you can request approval for the brand Nike, and you need to check if it's the exact same brand. Okay, so if it's actually telling you that you need to request approval for Nike, because for some product, some people will actually try to go around the gating by listing products under, like, not under the brand name, and so it will be like some generic listing, whatever. Make sure that the product is listed under the right brand, okay? So that's pretty much we get ungate. This is pretty much the process. No, there's one thing that you're going to need to do. Okay, so when you place your order on soccer.com, you are going to need to call in. Okay, you're going to need to call them. I understand if you're weird or if you're weird on the phone, all that stuff, you are scared to talk to real people because you just work from your mom's basement and that's it. You're going to need to pick up the phone. Okay, you pick up the phone, you call soccer.com. You can find their phone number somewhere on the website. Okay, I forgot where it is. And so you said, hey, can I get an invoice for the order that I just placed? Okay, they're gonna send you an invoice on your in your email inbox. All right. So when it's done, wait for the order to be delivered, and then submit that invoice with pictures of the product to Amazon. Okay. The thing that you need to know is that probably like lately, I've heard this from multiple people. Lately, they remove they do not put the, first of all, sometimes they do not put the whole name of the brand on the invoice. That's the first thing. Second thing, they do not put the apartment number if you live in an apartment in your invoice. No, it does not matter, because not too long ago, actually yesterday, I received a message from Widya, which is a member of my group coaching, because yes, I do coaching. If you want to join my coaching group, link in the description. Okay, $100 a month. And so, she told me that she was just finally ungate after 21 tries with Nike using soccer.com. Okay, you can see the message right there. It is hidden by my social media. Yes, follow me on social media, especially Instagram, by the way. I'll see you over there. But the reason why I'm telling you this is because, here we go. So, she was finally ungate on her 21st try. Okay, so shout out to Widya. She was getting auto decline, so it is going to happen. The thing that you need to realize is that it is going to happen. You are going to submit your stuff. You are not going to get approved on the first time. Okay, so do not come on the comments on this channel to tell me, oh, it doesn't work, I submitted and it's telling me so and so. Like, I don't care. Keep submitting. Widya had to submit 21 times. Myself, I had to submit 8 times, but it was easier time. Okay, Amazon is going to reject your invoices. Like, if you're lucky, you can get approved on the first try, but more time than not, you're not going to be lucky, especially if you're just starting. You're going to need to submit multiple times. Okay, so keep submitting. Change the name of your invoice if you get auto decline. Go through the case log, submit a message to the case log, submit all your information. Over there, I have a whole video. If you keep getting declined, I have a whole video that tells you how to do this. But now I'm going to show you another method that can potentially cost you less money to actually get ungated on Amazon. Okay, so this was how to get ungated with soccer.com for all those brands. Of course, you can do the exact same thing if you want to do it with Adidas. You can check all the brands they have on Nike on soccer.com. I'm sorry. You can use this website to get ungated. Okay, I ungated 2 accounts doing this. A lot of my students got ungated with soccer.com, and a lot of people watching the channel have been ungated with soccer.com. Okay, you can just come on the Discord server and check it out. All right, so the second method that you can use is the Amazon to Amazon method. And so we are going to use Keepa, the Keepa product finder, to find a cheap product from the brand, the cheapest product we can, that you can purchase in quantity of 10 from Amazon.com to ungate it on Amazon. Okay, yes, it works. Yes, it has been working forever. It is still working. Do not come and ask me if it's still working. It is still working. Okay, so and it is not against terms of service. Okay, the only thing that you need to do is make sure, by the way, make sure that if you do this method, you do not use Prime shipping, because if you use Prime shipping, it is against terms of service. You cannot use Prime shipping to resell stuff. Okay, if you buy stuff to resell, you cannot use Prime. Okay, so do not use Prime. Get regular shipping. Create a new account, a new Amazon account, a business account on business.amazon.com. I have a whole video on that, and purchase it from there. The main benefit of actually getting a business account is that you can bypass the quantity limit. Okay, so sometimes there's quantity limits. You cannot purchase more than X amount of units on Amazon.com. If you have a business account, you can bypass those limits. So it's easy to buy 10 units. All right, so if you want to get ungated in Nike, you would go to the brand filter. Okay, so you go to brand, you just do Control F, brand, Command F if you're on Mac. You go to brand right there, you write down Nike or any brand that you want to get ungated in. Okay, whether it is Adidas, whether it is, I don't know, if it is Fenty cosmetic, you can do it. You can do it with any brand. Okay, so you enter this right there, boom, you do the search. Here we go. And you sort product from the cheapest one to the most expensive one. So to do this, we are gonna go to the new price. The new price is here. The current new price. Here we go, from the cheapest to the most expensive. So you probably want to adjust your filters and not show active filters, but you probably want to go to advanced filters right there and set a minimum new price of $1. Okay, so it's going to remove a lot of bullshit. Here we go. So from here we have a lot of Nike stuff. This is $6.99. Okay, so this is $3.99. The buy box is at $3.99 on this. So if you can buy 10 of these, we can get ungated for $29, which is way cheaper than what we would have gotten on and yeah, there are 16 units. So if you want to get ungated on Nike, of course, make sure that you are gated with that specific ASIN. You can do it with this product for $39. Okay, so you just purchase 10 of them. Here we go. You purchase 10 of them. When the order is delivered, and I'm going to repeat this, because if you ask the question, okay, if you ask the question and you say, oh, my order got rejected because so and so, and I noticed that it's, you know, and like, you need to wait until the order is delivered so you get the right invoice on Amazon. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to get the invoice on Amazon. Okay, so you're going to go right there. You're going to go to returns and order. You are going to get to a page like this. Okay, you're going to have, like, you see, this is your order. Boom, boom, boom. You're going to click on view invoice. Okay, if you click on view invoice, you're going to get here. All right, so if you are here, that's pretty much the thing that you need. It's going to say final details for order. If the order has not been delivered yet, it's not going to say final order or final details. Okay, so you're going to do Control P, you're going to save this as PDF, and this is going to be your invoice. All right, so this, if you submit this, you are going to get ungated. That's it. That's the Amazon to Amazon method. Okay, so hopefully you learn how to get ungated and you get ungated soon and you can start making money, because these are the best brands, in my opinion, to make money for beginners. All right, so if you need to get ungated into something, in my opinion, get ungated Nike, Adidas, Puma, Under Armour, not necessarily. If you do retail arbitrage, yes. If you do online arbitrage, I've never found a ton of stuff from Under Armour, but maybe because I'm not looking at the right place. Okay, but that's pretty much how you get ungated with those brands. Hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, leave a like because it helps a lot, and watch these other videos if you want to keep learning about selling on Amazon. All right, I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching.